From the greatest stories ever told come tales of faith, courage, and miracles.
A long time ago in the kingdom of Babylon under King Nebuchadnezzar, three men walked into a fire, and a fourth mysterious figure appeared. Three faithful young Jewish men named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood firm for their God.
King Nebuchadnezzar ruled a vast empire. Among the captives from Judah were three young men who served in his court but worshipped only the one true God. These men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, were known for their wisdom and devotion.
They remained faithful even in a land of idols. We must stay true. God will guide us. Hope is our strength. Devoted to the God of Israel.
One day the king made a huge golden statue, 90 feet tall.
Don't miss out any detail. He set it up on the plain for all to worship.
A grand dedication ceremony was called.
All important officials gathered.
The king commanded everyone to bow when the music played.
Hear ye, my subjects, behold my image, a symbol of my power. Bow down to my image, or face the blazing furnace.
People of every nation and language, as soon as you hear the music, you must fall down and worship the golden image. Anyone who refuses will be thrown into the blazing furnace.
When the music began, everyone bowed down, except Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
They would not worship the idol.
Some jealous officials reported them to the king.
Your Majesty, they refuse to bow.
Your Majesty, these three men from Judah, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refuse to worship your golden image. They despise your authority.
The king was furious.
Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you will not serve my gods or worship the golden image I set up?
I will give you one last chance.
Now if you are ready, when you hear the music, fall down and worship. But if you do not, you will be thrown into the blazing furnace. And what God will be able to save you from my hand?
King Nebuchadnezzar, we do not need to defend ourselves before you in this matter.
If the God we serve is able to deliver us from the blazing furnace, he will deliver us from your Majesty's hand. But even if he does not, we want you to know this. We will not serve your gods or worship the image of gold you have set up.
Then King Nebuchadnezzar was furious.
Take them! Heat the fiery furnace! Load more! Make it blaze 7 times hotter than usual!
The king commanded his strongest soldiers to tie them up.
Tie them up. Do not give them any chance to escape. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were tied up fully clothed.
Throw them into the furnace!
They were thrown into the blazing furnace.
The flames were so hot, they killed the soldiers who threw them in. But inside the fire, something miraculous happened.
And a fourth man appeared with them.
Weren't there 3 men we threw in? Look! I see 4 men walking around in the fire, unbound and unharmed. The 4th looks like a like a son of God.
The king was amazed.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, come out of the fiery furnace.
Not a hair on their heads was singed. Their clothes were not burned.
Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He sent his angel and rescued them. Because they trusted in him, they were willing to give up their lives rather than worship any other god. No other god can save like this.
Everyone gathered around and saw they were completely unharmed. Truly a miracle. Not a hair on their heads is singed. Our faith has protected us. There was not even the smell of smoke on them.
These 3 ordinary young men faced an impossible choice with extraordinary faith.
They showed us what it means to stand firm.
Life throws all of us into fiery furnaces, pressure to compromise, difficult choices, painful trials. Like them, we can choose to trust God, no matter what.
Your fiery furnace might be at school, work, or in your own heart.
But you are never alone.
3 men walked into a fire, and a 4th mysterious figure appeared.
That same God still walks with us today.
This is an invitation to live with the same courageous faith.
The God who showed up in the fire is still showing up today.
He walks with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fire during the ancient times.
And he is still walking with his people today and always.
He is with them before, and he is still with us today.
Trust him. Stand firm. You are never alone.
If you enjoy inspiring Bible stories like this, please follow our Facebook page, like the video, share to your friends, and subscribe for more uplifting stories from the Bible for all ages.